Translation. Then Lord Brahma could see you possessing thousands and thousands of faces, legs, heads, hands, eyes, noses, and ears. You were decorated with varieties of ornaments and weapons, and very nicely dressed. Seeing you as Lord Vishnu with your transcendental symptoms and form, your legs extending to the lower planets, Lord Brahma achieved transcendental bliss.
Evam sahasra vadananghi shirakkaroru nasasya karnanayana varana ayudhadyam mayamayang sadupalaksita sannivesam drishtya mahapurusam apamranga virincha. So, in the previous verse, we understood that Lord Brahma executed severe austerity for hundreds of years just to become purified. Tibra tapasa parisuddha bhava. Bhava, situation or nature, bhava, nature also. So we have a bhava, nature at the present moment, which is not real bhava. We have acquired this bhava on account of long years material association. But this bhava can be changed. That is spiritual. Sri Rupa Goswami also says bhava, and another place in Bhagavad Gita it is said Buddha bhava samannita bhava. So at the present moment we have got a bhava. I am this, I am that. I belong to this family, I belong to this nation. Bhava is ecstasy, and everyone is overwhelmed with such kind of ecstasy. The politicians, they think that we are simply wasting time in chanting and dancing. They have no sense how to improve the position of the country. They do not like, because they are in different bhav. And we are trying to change that bhav. The bhava must be there. The whole Krishna consciousness movement is to purify the bhava. Bhava, that is stated here. Parisuddha bhava. We are not negative-hating everything. We are simply changing from material bhava to spiritual bhava. That's here is a big building, but there are many other hundreds and thousands of big buildings in this district or in this country. But here the bhava is changed. The bhava is changed. In your country there are many big skyscraper buildings. In comparison to those buildings, there is nothing. But still, you have come spending thousands of dollars here to change the bhava. That is required. Otherwise, the American boys and girls, you have no business to come here to see this big building. No. To change the bhava. That requires. That is very important thing. So, sarvopādhi vinirmuktam tat parattena nirmalam rishikena rishikesh rishikena rishikesham sevanam bhakti richyate. Rishikesha sevanam. That bhava is changed. Bhakti means to change the bhava. At the present moment, we are in a different bhava. It has to be cleansed, parishuddha bhava. Prakishta rupena or parishuddha, clarified, cleansed bhava. We have nothing to reject. Simply we have to change the bhava. Buddha bhava samannita. Aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti matya bhajanti mam buddha bhava samannita. Buddha, those who are intelligent, Buddha. Bodha means intelligence, knowledge. And Buddha, those who have got knowledge. So this is knowledge. So, Brahma, Lord Brahma began austerity to change the bhava. He is the first created living being. How much great he is, but because he came into this material world, he is coming from Vishnu, Atmajoni. Not only Brahma, every one of us, we are coming from Vishnu. Every one of us, like the small sparks of fire, we are coming from the big fire. That's a fact. But as soon as we come to this material world, that quality, fiery quality, extinguishes. Therefore we have to revive the fiery quality, change of bhava, parishuddha bhava. As soon as I come, the same example, the big fire, and there are sparks, a small fire. We are not big fire, we are small spark like. The spark so long, it is with the fire, it is very beautiful. The fire is also beautiful and the spark is also beautiful. And if by chance the fire falls down, the big fire never falls down. Therefore Krishna is Achyuta. He never falls down. If he comes in this material world, he does not fall down. Ishanam Ishasya. This is his all-powerful. He comes also in this material world. He says, Tadatmanam sijamaham paritrana jada jada hi dharma saglani bhavati bharata tadatmanam sijam. He also comes. But he does not fall down. We fall down. The Mayavadi philosopher cannot understand it. They think that anyone who comes in this material world, he under the influence of Maya. That is right for the small living entities as we are. That is not correct for the Supreme. Therefore, they misunderstand Krishna in his activities, especially when he dances with the gopis. Therefore, a neophyte person should not try to understand Krishna's dancing with the gopis immediately, because they do not know Krishna. Here, if we do something against the moral principles, we are liable to be punished. But Krishna, about Krishna, it is stated in the Isha Upanishad, apapa viddham. You know this, apapa viddham. He does not become affected by any papa or papa viddham. That is his nature. Etat isanam isasya. It's like we go into the fire, we become burnt into ashes. But there are some other, not we cannot see, but if Krishna enters, yes, there are many, just like in the forest fire, all the Vrindavan inhabitants, they become very much afraid of the forest fire, Vrindavan, the cows and the cowherd boys and inhabitants. But they had no other means how to stop. They began to pray to Krishna. Krishna save us. So Krishna swallowed up the fire. That is Krishna. That is the difference between Krishna and ourselves. So this difference of Krishna and Krishna's greatness we can see when we have purified ourselves, tibra tapasa parisuddha bhava. Then it is possible. That is the whole bhakti system means tibra tapasa parisuddha bhava. So, evam sahasra vadana gi. Sahasrapadam. This is Virat Rup. This is Maya. Krishna's Virat Rup is another feature. His real Rup or form is Dvibhuj Muralidhar, 2 hands. That is his original form. There is in the Brahma Samhita, Venum Kannantang Aravinda Dalayataksam Varahamatang Samasitam Buddhasundaram Kandarpa Koti Kamaniya Visesha Soham Govindamani Purusam Tamam. That is Krishna's real form. Venum Kannantam is playing on flute. But here it is said that Sahasra Vadananghi Sirakkaroru. Here Brahma saw he has got many Sahasra. What is that? Sahasra Vadan, faces, angry. As soon as there is face, as soon as there is one face, there must be 2 legs, 2 hands. He appeared before Brahma with thousands of faces. So similarly, number of hands and legs must increase proportionately. So Lord Brahma saw him in his Virata Rupam. Virata. Krishna a Brahma, Brahma Parabrahma. Parabrahma means the great. And he is Parabrahma. Nobody is greater than him. So, if anyone wants to see Krishna in his Parabrahma Rup, then he exhibits his Virata Rup. That's the Lord Arjuna saw, Virata Rup. The same. But that is not his natural form. That is Mayamayam. Because suppose one wants to see God and he is not very advanced. Even if he is advanced, sometimes we want to see the superior in his great opulence. But the Vrindavan-vasi, they are so affectionate, so attached to Krishna, They do not want. They do not want to know what is God. They simply want Krishna to love. This is Krishna. There is no necessity. Krishna manifested in so many ways, big activities in Vrindavan, killing daily almost a demon. But still, the Vrindavanvasi did not accept him as the Supreme Lord. They thought that some demigod has appeared. They did not know that he is the Supreme Lord. That is another Maya, Yoga Maya. If the Vrindavanvasi saw Krishna that he is the Supreme Lord, then they could not love him so nicely. Because too much opulent conception diminishes natural love. Therefore, in the Vrindavan, there is no such exhibition of Krishna's form. But in the material world, just to convince Brahma, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he appeared, Sahasra Vadananghi Shiro Karoru, Nasa Asya Karna Nayanam Varanaya Ayudhyam. Not only many faces, many ears, many legs, but each of them very nicely decorated. You have seen the picture of Lord Vishnu, very decorated, very much decorated. But you will see Krishna is decorated with the Vrindavan flowers. That is Krishna's real form. He does not appear with many hands, many ornaments, no. Simple boy. Jasoda Nandana, Gopijana Ranjana, Jamuna Tira. What is that? Yes, that is Krishna. Krishna is always Jasodanandana. He is always ready to be chastised by Mother Jasoda, by the gopis, and sometimes by his friends. That is Vrindavan Krishna. That is real Krishna. That is real God. And this form of God, as Brahma saw, Virata Rupa, that is Mayamayam. Because Brahma, such an exalted person, he was meant for creating this universe. He becomes bewildered seeing Krishna as a cowherd boy. That was also exhibited. When Brahma understood that a cowherd boy in Vrindavan is said to be the Supreme Lord, Krishna, my master, so he also examined whether Krishna, that boy, was his master. He took away his cups and cowherd boy for a second, and he saw that Krishna has expanded himself to so many cows and calves and cowherd boys. Then he submitted. Similarly, Indra also wanted to examine him. So everyone, Sivabanin Chinutam, Jatra Muhyanti Suraya. So even Lord Brahma, Lord Indra, and others, big demigods, they become bewildered to understand Krishna. So Brahma saw the Virat Rupa, Maya Mayang Sadupalakshita Sannivisam Drishtya Mahapurusam Apapam Mudang Vidimcha. But when he saw the Lord, he was very happy. So our pure Vaishnava, they do not want to see even Krishna. They are satisfied with the service of Krishna. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's philosophy. Aslishya padarang pinastamam marmahatang karotuva. Marmahatang karotuva. The pure Vaishnava, he simply always expects when that time will come, Krishna will be pleased to accept me. Otherwise he is not very hasty. But he is interested with the service. That is pure. His pure Vaishnava can go to the hell for serving Krishna, but he is not aspirant for his personal comfort. Any condition. Amo janmani janmani ishare. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Janmani janmani ishare bhavatad bhakti rahituki. Na dhanang na janang na sandani kavitang vajradijaka. Asishya padarasang pinastama maramahatang karotuva. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is very great movement, more valuable than the conception of Lord Shiva or Lord Brahma, because it is given by Krishna personally, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, do not try to see Krishna in his Virata form. Simply try to serve him in humble position, then your life will be successful. Thank you.